So I've read your script here, the Celtic Lion, about this Brien Buru cat.
Vikings are retreating to their ships. We've won the day!
Heavenly Father, you have helped us defeat the pagan invaders.
Why does he have to die at the end? I mean, it's kind of a downer, you know what I mean?
But he did die at the Battle of Clontarf.
Yeah, maybe, but you know, that's been done before in Braveheart. What if Brien were a woman?
A woman?
Great news, Your Highness. You've repelled the invaders and won the day for Ireland.
Brien is really Brita.
Was it hard?
Hard? Was what hard?
Your biceps. No, the battle's silly. Were you scared, my hero?
Brita O'Brien, a princess, who wants to be a warrior, but couldn't on the fact she was born a beautiful broad. I'm a woman. You know, we got a big audience here.
There's something wrong with your voice, Your Highness. It was deeper before.
Just as soft.
Just it's softer with all the emotion of winning such a large battle. My, but you have
Excuse me, Your Majesty.
That's like putting a dress on George Washington.
I hadn't thought of that. He's on the $1 bill. You know, we could never get away with that. Speak. What's that? My 30 minutes with Sylvester Stallone got canceled? That's 15 minutes less ass kissing. I gotta go. Babe. I'm in a meeting. Yeah. Have you ever seen any Irish martial arts, kind of a Celtic, like kung fu kind of a thing?
Excuse me. Yeah, the delegation from the Viking dynasty are here.
That's my helmet.
No, that's my helmet.
That's my helmet.
Here. How come our lips aren't moving?
I don't think it's in the budget.
Yeah, and I'm the Queen of Ireland.
You rape my mother and had your way with the teaching of livestock. You must die!
Stop! Look, with all due respect, this is sort of out of line. This is a story about Ireland in the 11th century as it tried to free itself from Viking tyranny.
Vikings? They're like Norway and Sweden and such, right?
Yeah, I suppose.
Yeah, it's hard to see those guys, you know, that brought us Volvos and pickled herring as evil, mean hombres. Could they be Nazis?
It's the wrong century.
Yeah, so much for that. Here's a trailer idea if we would go with that Snatch meets Excalibur.
You ain't raping and pillaging here? We're your bitches.
Only if the truth hurts, don't look at me.
Bring on the sheep and the women. I hate Vikings.
It's easy to
Too bad,
In the 11th century, Ireland was ruled by tyranny and the people suffered from murder, rape, and bad Norwegian music until one man appeared to change all that. Brien Buru.
Brewing up a storm. Brewing up a storm. Brewing up inside and his eyes are wild and it can't go on. Brewing up a storm.
The only good kind. If it wasn't for Brien Buru, we'd all be speaking Norwegian.
You can't afford to lose control. The doors are open wide and the wind blows a bitter cold.
Remember the people we're fighting here and the people that brought us Abba?
A man holds a mystery, someone else holds the key.
I have only 3 words for the Norsemen. Chucky
It's a
our
shame
lad.
they're the same, the answer doesn't have to be.
Pretty ingenious, huh? They put a freeze on all action movies. All they're making is English romantic comedies with Hugh Grant stuttering. Can you believe that? You got any leads? You got any leads on stuttering Irish people? Stuttering Brendan Gleeson, Glendon? What's that guy's name?
Brewing up a storm. Brewing up a storm. Brewing up inside, and his eyes are wild, and he can't go on. He's brewing up a storm. Fire in your eyes, in your head, fire in your touch.